Gimbal goo bop.
The gimbal goo bop right here. Michael filming like a boss. I sunk in the powder. Look at how little it is. Dude, the ski dog's rich. Dude, look at this farmland. There's literally cows right there. What's up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to Craner Ski Hill in Colorado, the second smallest ski resort in the state. It literally has one platter that takes you up, but there's a bunch of jumps and stuff we see from the bottom. It looks super sick, all natural snow. I cannot wait to rip this place. I don't have my helmet because I left my helmet bag at home on this snowboard trip, and so if you're wondering, we'll just get that out of the way. All right, enough talking. It's time to shred this place. I'm so excited. So the last time I rode one of these platters and also rode a platter only ski resort was Beartooth Basin in Montana. It's a summer only ski resort. So it's only open in the summer. So you have to check this video out right here of us ripping that. So check it out. Welcome to the top, Michael.
Hi.
It's actually a pretty killer view. That's Crested Butte way over there. We decided to come here instead of there. Oh! I sunk in the powder. They got an avalanche dog here. Look at all these. Look at all these rails they have. They have a ton of rails and a baby snowcat. This could possibly be the coolest place on the planet. Look at how little it is.
Mountains aren't funny. They're hill areas.
All right, guys. So the top was sick, but we're gonna keep riding down here. Just getting off at the mid station because like it looks like on this side there's a ton of fun jumps and things. The crew's pretty heavy today. We got Michael, of course, filming. Backflipping Benton, who is not riding or going in the air, doing anything. He's playing it safe. We got Yush still with us, and then Daniel showed up. Daniel's the one that like has been my information dude on all of these small resorts, and so this resort is not open every year. What's up with this resort, Daniel?
They have all natural snow, so the thing is that they don't get a lot of it, so they're only able to open like once every 3 years or so.
And we made it, which is so sick. Bobby was like, "You should come home early," and I was like, "No, no, no. I gotta make it to Craner's first." So we're gonna throw down some more. Let's keep going. See you all. Hi, Mom. These tiny ski resorts we ride are truly amazing, and they give me hope that one day I will own something like this and can put my own features, build my own park. I don't know, I want something like this so bad. And they have like a platter. We get a tow rope, like something simple, but then it accesses so much awesomeness. This is so sick. I might have to dump a layer though, I'm hot.
Oh, it's so hot.
Let's ride down and drop this jacket, I'm dying. All right, no jacket, no gloves. It's way too hot. Let's send it. So the lifty just told us that this mountain is 300 vertical feet. Pretty killer. It's actually a lot of vertical feet.
Nobody gets shots like that, boy.
Michael's rocking a paddleboard and he's claiming that that POW over there needs to get slashed. So let's go slash it. You know what else needs slashing though today? Today's sticker shout out. We got Hunter Pilawado with the Keep Evolving sticker. We also have Ali Kite Keezy with the white sticker on the helmet. Looking so sick, guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, snagging some Evolution stickers. Guys, when you snag Evolution stickers, t-shirts, hoodies, long sleeves, any of the merch, it supports the channel. It allows me to come to places like this and make awesome, sick content for you. So thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers, supporting the dream. If you do snag any of the merch though, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also that's where I post a bunch of bonus extra content. Not only will you know where I'm riding each day, so if I'm at like Keystone, then you know, and you're at Keystone, then you can come find me. But it's also just bonus content, so you don't want to miss out on anything bonus posting on the Instagram. So go follow the Instagram. And enough talking, we're almost to the top of this mountain. I was just gonna tell him a joke real quick. What do you call a pile of kittens? A mountain. Dude, the ski dog wrist. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so deep. It's a little bumpy. I couldn't keep up. You're ripping. I was so worried if I tomahawked in there in this, I would suck. Daniel's part snowboarder because he will jump on one plank.
Yeah.
You're like half a snowboarder. I can't wait to take this thing out. We found a new jump on this side that we're gonna go scope out as well. Here we go. Lunchtime, the lift shut down for a minute.
Yeah, it's gonna be down for a little bit.
Okay.
Maybe you
Not a big deal.
regular
We can go get some snacks, support this place a little bit more.
Let me see what the clip is, or our clips look like.
All right, guys. About an hour went by. The wind came in. It got cold. I put my jacket back on. But the lift is spinning again, or the platter, and we're back to it. Here we go. Oh man, they had a fault on Tower 2 again, so they keep... I think that's it. I think that's where we're gonna end today. The lift isn't working. It's kind of a bummer. But also, we had a sick time for the little bit we did shred. I was saying, Ski Dog, you send this power real quick? Oh yeah. Going home right now is not a big deal either because I haven't seen my son in 4 days, or my wife obviously, but Roman's dying for me to get home. Pow. I think that's it, Daniel.
Probably.
No need to wait around for this anymore. Thanks for coming out and ripping. So, once again, Daniel is the one that kind of gave me some information on this one, and Lee's Ski Resort in Ouray. If you missed that video, check it out. The smallest ski resort in the United States. Super sick. It's in Colorado too. But me and Daniel have this plan to start making videos together where we go hike abandoned ski resorts and rip them. Could be really cool. We got to get the proper gear, get all the, make sure we're going to be safe out there when we're riding abandoned ski resorts because avalanches can still happen. But that's the plan going forward. So check Daniel's channel out. He is a 2-planker, but that's what makes it fun, you know? Get a skier in a video a little bit, you know? But it's also gonna be fun to talk about why these ski resorts closed and all that stuff. I don't have time to research it, and Daniel does.
Yeah.
So he'll be the brain. I'll be the bronze? Is that how it works?
Brain vlog. We'll do that.
You'll be the brain, I'll be the vlog. All right. There's not many ski resorts where you actually get to rip all the way to the car. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you smash that like button. Smash it for today's video, but also smash it because we went heliboarding the last 2 days and we did a bunch of sick stuff. So please smash the like button. It helps these videos. The more people that see these videos, the more people that can support the channel. And overall, it's just a great time. So smash like, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me. We're growing at a crazy pace. We'll be at 60,000 subscribers before we know it. That blows my mind. We've gotten like 30,000 subscribers this year. You guys are nuts. I appreciate you so much. Michael, did you have fun today?
Yeah, subscribe.
So I forgot to say a couple of things. We're on a mission to ride every resort in the United States. So we have to come ride these tiny little dinky resorts right here. Even though when we come ride them, it's one of my favorite things that we do. So if you want to see where I have gone skiing and snowboarding, or just snowboarding, check the top link in the description. It has a list of all the ski resorts I've been to, and then the videos. You gotta check it out. It's so cool. It's kind of hard to explain. You have to check it out. Top link in the description. Also, if you want to get better at snowboarding and you want to learn from me, come check out Snowboard Camp. It's in Mount Hood in Oregon in June. Come check out my snowboard camp. My goal is to help you guys become the best snowboarders possible, but I can't teach you guys at like a regular resort. It's got to be a specific resort that allows me to do it and all that stuff. That's in Hood in July. It's like summer snowboarding. It's amazing. You got to come. Last year's summer camp was so much fun. We're only taking 10 people, so sign up before it fills up. 10 people each week, 2 weeks, so 20 people in total. We already have 3 people signed up for camp. So sign up for camp. You don't want to miss out on snowboard. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.
What's up of the ocean?
Yeah.